Here's my new filament delivery system for my Mendel. It's a closed loop system that actually has a 2mm ID by 4mm OD standard PTFE tube. It's connected into a pneumatic quick disconnect. It's actually, if you can see, there's actually a double on either side. That allows you to screw into the top here. A little bit of tape here is just so I could get my meter in. You can see we're at about 18% relative humidity inside the container. And basically how it works is there is a, actually I'll come over here and I'll take this one out real quick. This one doesn't have the top attached to it yet, but the standard filament just comes right out. And I laser cut this interesting roller bearing chassis. It's just a laser cut. I black spray painted it, and it has two standard 8mm ball bearings, some washers and some nuts, and basically the filament just when it's put inside of it. So if that was inside, the filament just goes and it's able to sit right on top and rolls, very smoothly. So what this does is it gives a very smooth transition for the printer or for the extruder head not to strain through it. Also, it protects it. It will sheath it from any dust or debris that your room might be giving it to, and it's a good way that you actually can even measure if the filament is being pulled down inside of it, so you can pull it back a little bit and exposing a little bit of it. But the results that I've got off this have been just amazing. To give you an idea, there's just a couple desiccants in the bottom, but right now we're sitting in coastal Georgia at about 48 degrees humidity, and that is pretty amazing that we can drop it down to 18. I've seen it even lower, down to about 15, and that's the air temperature, but that will also affect inside the material. This is a pretty simple laser cut device. The ball bearing is about 25 cents. The laser cut maybe it's $2. This container right here, I think it's $6 at Walmart. So the entire unit is under $12 to build easily, even with the PTFE tube and the quick disconnect. The PTFE tube is one of the more expensive ones, but there might be a better alternative or a better material to use. But it'd be a great thing to ship with the filament. You can actually just get the bag of filament that you currently have and just place it inside there. An unassembled kit inside as well, and close it up and just ship it right out. I'll send one of those up to you and see what you think. Thanks, man.